everyone! How's it going? Let me show new hairstyle, and this hairstyle is a lesson for traditional ceremonies, weddings, or formal events. Because it looks neat, polished. We start by tying our hair into 5 pieces. So to make our hair neat, we start tying 5 pieces. Tying 5 pieces like this, if we know how to do it, we will definitely know that when we tied our hair, it is really beautiful. But if you don't know how to tie 5 pieces, you can watch this video. You see, it's easy to do. We do it from the roots to the ends, and we have to comb the hair to make it smooth. This style is for anyone who has messy hair and an untidy, disheveled hair, because they have difficulty in styling their hair. So we can do this style. Now we fold it up like this, tie it like this, and we pin it up like this. We are satisfied with the black hairpins and are ready with the bun style. For this bun style, it can be used with hair clips. But if you have beads like a diamond or just a small piece of jade, you can easily make it. We'll plug that place in with more black clamps to make it more secure. This style is very beautiful and elegant, with a knitted shirt and a pleated skirt for traditional ceremonies, weddings, or formal events because it looks neat and polished. Learn how to do it step by step. Watch this video and share it. At the top, we make it slightly rounded to make it look beautiful.